think about corn?
It's cold. A big lumpy nose. It has to choose. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's cold. I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing. When I tried it, I don't anything change. But the bad thing about corn is the grease. The corn break can restore your energy. You really appreciate that whole core when you love something. If you anyone loves corn, if you come to me, I can tell you all about it. If I was around the bacon, I would eat all of it. You're big and strong. Look at this, take a lump with the knob. Spread that around. It's cold when it's like negative in the world. Take the corn break.
Corn break.
Take the corn break.
Corn dance.
Corn. Bibbidi bibbidi dibbidi bop.
Corn dance.
Mm.
Anything else you want to say about corn before we go?
Yeah.
What?